So I'm going to step right into one of the tools that is important at this stage, and that's shared purpose. It's a very simple tool, but a very powerful one. And that is to be able to identify what we want to do in the form of a shared purpose statement. The shared purpose statement is designed to attract participation. It's a personal touchstone for you as an individual, and it's also the fundamental justification of why you're involved in this to your large community, whether that community is the team that you work with in your company, the executive management of your company, or of your organization, or the community around you. Because we will all be asked questions about whether it's valuable to be doing this. What we want the shared purpose to do is ignite momentum, to create team cohesion, and also to start generating the inclusion criteria for who you need on a team in order to achieve that purpose. It should help to answer the questions: why is the problem truly important to all of us? Why is this venture important to my organization? And why is this problem really meaningful to me? A shared purpose has got three elements. Firstly, who's the population that we want to impact? What's its size? What's the condition that they suffer from? Are the constraints we understand? What are the challenges that people have as a result of this condition? And why solve the problem for them? And coming out of that, we will then develop our vision that says, okay, in order to solve this problem, this is what we're going to do. Now, these are simple, seemingly simple, but they are complex and difficult because we have multiple stakeholders, and these are wicked problems. So really where we get to in the beginning is the start of a shared purpose. And as you go through your project, you will both check in to see that you are still achieving your shared purpose, but also you may change it because of what you are discovering as you go through the project.